um, the discussion today about the values, the core values of the company, about share information. Let me first, good morning. Today, I want to talk about the share information core values. This means that we share openly and transparently while being mindful of what should be kept private. It's not about withholding, it's about sharing responsibly. This value asks us to share information freely throughout the organization. If you ask why, because when more people know, the better we can collaborate. Great ideas shouldn't be put in a box in isolation. Innovation doesn't happen behind closed doors, and no one can do their job or the best work that they can in the dark. That's why we should constantly ask ourselves who else needs to know this information. Let me just share a simple personal experience based on my career. I was part of the engineering team, or what we call the AI annotators in my previous job. So I have one feedback from our early access users where they explained to me there is something wrong with the algorithms and there's a bug on the system. But I haven't shared that on the team because I just noticed that it was not something that they should pry on. So early on the meeting next day, um, I shared this information to the team. I just shared the information. I just simply create a vivid discussion about the feedback. And instantly, one of the programmers widened their eyes. It's because this piece of information has fixed a bug that he's been chasing for weeks. So that moment stuck with me. I realized that the problem wasn't just technical. It was that I hadn't thought to ask who else could benefit from this. So why is this value so important? Because information empowers people. When we share appropriately and thoughtfully, we build trust. We eliminate redundancy, we uncover better solution, and most importantly, we remind each other that we're working toward a shared goal, not as isolated teams, but one organization. So let's challenge ourselves before hitting the send button on our Outlook, before wrapping up a meeting, before finishing a task. Take a moment and ask, who else needs to know this? Because when we share, we don't just inform, we enable. And when we enable, we elevate everyone on our team. Thank you.